The Sokoler Medley Team and Remax Properties East are proud to present another great Louisville area home. Welcome to 137 Nature Trail in Audubon Park in Spencer County. We first start with this beautiful covered front porch that looks out to a very large front yard. Inside we go and into a large living room with lots of light coming in from that front window, and it flows nicely into an even larger eat-in kitchen. We'll take you on a tour walking around this kitchen, and you can see a fairly good size table in here that overlooks the working part of the kitchen. Those are cherry cabinets with lots of countertop space and a center island. Black appliances are a nice accent in this kitchen. Did you know that this house sits on almost 1.5 acres of land? We'll show you outside in just a couple of minutes. First, as we head back into the living room, you can see the tray ceiling and ceiling fan. And now we head back towards the bedrooms. Nice sized bathroom here just off the hallway. We head into bedroom number 1 right now, which is currently being used as a playroom. Just next door, a good size bedroom number 2. And across the hall, the master bedroom suite, you'll notice it has a tray ceiling fan. And as we're about to show you, this bedroom has a full bathroom as well. We head downstairs now and into a very large walkout finished lower level. Lots of space down here for not only games, but also entertainment, even a media area. And as you can see, there really is a lot of room down here. Lots of light coming in from the windows as well. And to finish it all off, there's a full bathroom down here with a little extra special surprise. It's a jacuzzi style tub. The laundry room as well as storage space also located down here in the lower level. Out back, plenty of space to spread out, and there's also a nice sized deck here as well, sitting on almost 1.5 acres of land. To see 137 Nature Trail, call the Sokoler Medley Team at area code 502-992-4203. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler Medley Team, Remax Properties East.